Hi there. I'm here replacing my engine control module. I bought myself a used one online. It's been re-flashed and I've disconnected my battery terminals, negative first, and I think it's under here, although I couldn't actually find any specific instructions, but I'm going to take that off. I'm Angel, by the way. Hi. And I'm going to look in and under this thing. And if it's not there, then I'm going to look in. Well, it wouldn't fit in that thing, would it? So, yeah, I think it's under that thing. Want to place bets now? Let's find out. I'm going to try to pause you and not lose you. Put this in a whole video, although I'll probably also do a parted out video because that's how I roll. Stay tuned. Let's see how it goes. Hey, success. That just took a couple minutes. I wanted to show you. There she is. I had to take this air filter off. I didn't even take that wire off, but I couldn't. I tried to wrestle it past this without taking this off, and then for a couple minutes. Thought I'd spare you that couple minutes. It was super easy. Just take that thing off, and now we have clear sailing. I'm going to be taking each of these off. I did see that online, but might have to go review how to take these clips off. And then, yeah, I'm going to check all the wires, and I'm going to replace her with that one. And then I'm going to put the battery back together and fire it up, and she's going to work perfectly. I'll keep you posted. Wish me luck. All right, I successfully figured out how to release these little things. So I wanted to show you because it took me a little while to find it. So I'll try to put it all in one video. Slide this little red part out, and then you depress that. That's the part I was missing. Depress, I might need both hands. You depress that, there we go, to be able to lift that up, and you gotta go all the way over with that. Sometimes it sticks, you don't want to force it. Might need some WD-40 on that one. Oh, yeah, I know, I saw one where they were talking about not forcing it, so I'm gonna use both hands. But anyway, you get the idea. I'm gonna be replacing, taking all three of those out, probably getting some canned air to it maybe, and then just trying to zip zop it, replace it, and see what happens. I'll keep you posted. I can get this thing to pass with my worker gloves on. Here, let me see. Well, for good measure, I'll show you. I got the new one in there with some little, this thing's a little funky, but I did have to figure out how to get the old one popped out, but then I didn't realize it was these clips, so you do gotta pay attention to how that goes in there, and how a little clip here. And I think this is supposed to get screwed down because it's pretty loose, but it's been that way. Might be part of the problem. But I'm gonna go ahead and put these back on, reconnect my battery, and see what happens. Fingers crossed.